Sam, are you ready? Are you coming?
I bumped my head.
What?
I bumped my head.
Good job.
Put on the Disney button.
1 hour later.
Alright, so what are we doing today?
Building this, which you got way back in October of 2019.
Yeah, well, we had to wait a while, and then we had Christmas. Then I had knee surgery. And now we can't go anywhere, so perfect time to do Legos, isn't it?
Yeah. I want new Lego sets.
You don't need new Lego sets. You have so many Legos.
I want the Quidditch and the train and the Hogwarts Express Lego set.
And all the Trolls Lego sets. And
Yeah.
all the other Lego sets that exist.
Yeah, especially Frozen 2.
Just that. And we've got a couple plates, because we like to use plates to keep the pieces somewhat organized while we're building.
Whoa.
How many bags do you think? How many bags do you think there are going to be?
Full.
4? 4 bags. Let's see here. There, you got one out. Oh, there's the instruction booklet. That's in a bag. Does that count as a bag? I don't know. 2 bags. 3 bags. 4 bags. Ooh, so are you right or wrong? I don't know.
Right.
But the instructions are in a bag. Does that count?
Yeah. I'm used to these not being in a bag. I think if you put them together, it makes a phenom one.
All right.
Look, it's gonna go down the mini ramp.
Alright, so we're all done.
Mhm.
We got it all done. Got the whole thing built.
Mhm.
Now what are we gonna do?
Play with it.
Play with it.
Dad, you want to see something?
What?
I gotta put the helmet on a first. Safety first.
Scooter kid. What? Two other things you can make that are like a little skate park with rails and stuff, and then
and this one
slopey
is
rails.
an arcade.
Yeah, looks like an arcade. It's got all kinds of.
Yeah. This is where he landed.
Well, thank you for my birthday present.
Yeah,
Let's
look.
see how far away from my birthday. It was in October, November, December, January, February, March, April. We're halfway around my birthday. And what's today's date?
Today's
the
the
5th.
5th.
The 5th. So we're just over 6 months from my birthday. So we only have this in the box for half a year. So that's okay. We got it done before my next birthday. That's the important part.
Yeah. Look, I'm gonna see if he lands it, and he didn't.
All right. Any last words to YouTube out there?
Oh, he found his face.
Any last words? All right then. See you next time.
Bye!
Oh, just use my brute strength.
What?
Oh, there we go.
What?
I used my brute strength.
The blue?
Strong daddy. My brute strength.
I don't even know what that
Means like I'm a big brute. I'm big and strong. Right?
is. Oh, I thought you were saying Groot.
Groot, my Groot strength. I am Groot.
I am Groot.
I am Groot. Ah.